Siren. Tornado siren's going off. I know.
Step aside, buddy.
It's literally not even raining. There's like no. Oh, I hear some rain coming to start. It's going from that way.
Okay, it's back.
The heck?
Dave, do you see anything?
There's like nothing.
Well, this is the second time.
There's legit nothing.
Second tornado
First
siren.
The first siren went off about an hour and a half ago, and
No, more than 2
it
hours
was
ago.
bright. The sun was out. It was beautiful for about an hour, and now things have been getting cloudy, and now the sirens are going off.
Yeah. It's getting cloudy and no sun, but it's not raining or anything. There's not really a sign,
Literally nothing.
and there's like no sign of like tornado.
I mean, I don't see anything over there, but the house is looking behind me.
It's coming from that way.
Well, that's moving right in. That's moving right in.
A ton of people on our block are just standing outside their house like this.
Oh, that's moving.
That's moving right in. Huh?
Look at the clouds, they're moving our way.
People are outside.
There's nothing.
I know, not really.
Like, we're not dying. We're here. Like, there's legit nothing here.
Yeah, but you know, this probably isn't just for us, because these go across like city to city.
There's a wall cloud.
Oh, wall cloud. Wall
What's
cloud.
What the heck's that?
It's like a cloud that like shapes into like a wall kind of thing.
It usually starts to move.
Ow, frick, that hurt.
Maybe this is the purge siren.
What? Maybe it's a what?
I think this is the purge siren.
I can't see anything there.
Yeah,
That's really bizarre.
there's like nothing there.
Nothing.
Okay, let's go in the basement.
No, there's nothing.
But the basement's fun.
That's what a lot of people say before they get killed by a tornado.
Yep,
It's going off and nothing's there.
I know, right? There's like nothing there.
There's nothing.
Oh, tornado touchdown on Peoria. We gotta go.
No one knows where Peoria is.
It's like half an hour away from you.
Oh, you weren't going anywhere anyway.
Well, it's coming towards
Riley was
us.
supposed to leave 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave to go drop off Riley and go return the clothes that didn't fit. Well, I had underwear, but they were too small. And then, all right.
Okay, keep it clean.
Are all three of you guys down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess there's another tornado touchdown.
And Peoria.
Yep. Wait, in
Okay.
Peoria?
So that's the updates, and if there is anything else happening throughout the day, we will let you guys know.
Yes. Bye.